Table test. Previously, we learned about subtests. If you pay attention, actually with subtests, we can create tests dynamically. And this subtest feature is usually used by Golang programmers to create tests with the table test concept. Table test is where we provide data in the form of slices containing parameters and expected results from the unit test. Then we iterate over the slice using subtests. While on this occasion, we create a Hello World test table. First, we create a list object struct, in which there are attributes name, request, expected with string data type. Then enter data or create example data. The first James request is James and expected is Hello James. We create the second Ronaldo and Messi. After that, we create a loop from the list object struct that we just created. In each iteration of the for loop, t.run is used to run each test case with the appropriate name, then call the Hello World function with the request input from the test case. The require.equal function from the testify/require package is used to ensure that the results given by Hello World match the expected values. If the results do not match, the test will fail and display an error, but if the results match, the test will pass. As you can see, the results are almost similar to the subtest, but the table test structure can make testing easier.